Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. Today is January the 16th. It is pretty cold outside, so I kept my kids home. But we're not gonna be in bed all day. We're gonna get up and clean the house. I'm gonna start with my room. I have them cleaning out their bathroom and their side of the townhouse. And then whatever that they couldn't complete to my liking, I'll jump on their side and help. But I need to clean up my space here. It is a mess. I already took my sheets off. All the pillows are on the floor on the other side. So we have to move these stuff. Since we moved in, I have my stuff on the corner over there. I need to move them and see if I have room in the closet for them. Vacuum, clean this area, move these stuff, and then my bathroom. These two, I need to move them, but I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet. I can't put them in the garage because there are important documents that I need and stuff that I need up here, but I'll figure it out. I'm gonna clean this here. My shower. I already started cleaning out the toilet area, or whatever you guys want to call it these days, but I already started cleaning this part out. So I just need to do the sink, the shower, the closet. All the stuff on the floor needs to, some of the stuff are being thrown away, and the good stuff I'm going to store in the garage. Clean up a little bit in the closet so I can make room for the stuff that needs to be stored in there. And then clean this area here completely. And then back in the loft. And then we'll head downstairs. Downstairs is not a lot to be done. Just probably mop the floor and clean up the dishes that is in the sink. I think the kids left a few dishes in the sink last night after I went to bed. But there is a lot to be done. The counter needs to be clean. This area needs to be clean. Trash thrown away. Sink in the dishes. And my son has a pile of stuff on the other side that I'm not even showing because he's eating. And then let me check out this half bathroom. How's that? It needs to be clean too. We hardly use it, so it's not that bad, but I do need to touch it up and dust it off. I gotta give this little boy here a bath. Hey, you need a bath today. You need a bath, Stinky. And then this is my daughter's area. Every time she comes home, she drops everything right here. Gets on my nerves. All right, so I'm gonna start with my bathroom. Like I said, I already worked on the toilet, but I'm not quite done with the floor. I'm gonna jump in the shower and get the shower going. For the shower, the glass, I'll be using this with this. And the towels, I'll be using this. Sprinkle a little bit of comment on the floor. I want to give you guys an insight, a look in the shower before I get going. These right here, I really need to scrub. This is the floor. drawers. This out of the glass. Just a quick look of the bathroom. I am gonna move down to the downstairs area and touch up real quick because I am getting a little tired and I don't want to not touch here. All right, y'all. In the middle of cleaning, I decided that I wanted me some tea, so I'm making me a cup of tea. With some honey. While that get itself together, I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping down the counters. Still a little bit too hot, so I'm gonna let it cool down just a little bit more. What was that? Okay. It was just let it sit for a little bit more. I am still entertaining my tea. Honey is all dissolved down. It's really good. And I'm not even a tea person, but I really do like this. have to pause here. So I haven't eaten nothing, and it's almost 3 o'clock. I think it's like 2:53 already. I haven't eaten nothing all day. I just drank the tea that I drank earlier, and I am feeling weak. I need to go eat something, so I'm gonna pause here. So this video is gonna be to be continued. I still have to move these things. I still have to do a lot of stuff, but I vacuum. My sheets are in the dryer. Dog is napping. I need to clean this mess here. I vacuumed the loft, but I haven't done none of the cleaning desk or anything like that. But yeah, we're gonna pause here to be continued.